With spring here, it's time to dust off that equipment, get up in the air, and start capturing great data. But before you do that, I want to give you a few tips to make sure that you're successful in getting out there in your first flight of the year. And that's to update all your firmwares. So make sure that you go through your drone, update the drone firmware, update the firmware of the controller, make sure that Skyport's updated. Make sure all three of those things are updated and you're good to go. Also, go ahead and update the firmware for your LiDAR system. To do that, you can go over to the cloud.rockrobotic.com and check for the latest firmware and make sure you put that on the USB drive, plug it in, and do that update. And the third thing to update is make sure your Rock desktop software is updated. The Rock desktop software, we've done a ton of upgrades to this, adding new functionality and features to get you super accurate data. I want you to go ahead and make sure that is updated as well. And with those three things updated, you're ready to start your first day of capturing data. Now, you just gotta remember, how do you fly? Anyways, get out there, capture some awesome data. I'm looking forward to seeing you upload it to the Rock Cloud, seeing what you guys are going to do in the spring, summer, and capturing beautiful days. That's all year long. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. I got a few more quick tips for you coming out soon. See ya.